Let me tell you something most trading content won't say clearly. Getting good at trading has almost nothing to do with finding the right strategy. It's not indicators, it's not signals, and it's not some secret system. And if you believe that, you're gonna waste a lot of time, because that's exactly what I did early on. I started with $6,000, no background in finance, no connections, nothing. Fast forward 16 years and I built an 8-figure portfolio. And the thing that actually made me profitable had nothing to do with any of that. It was the way I approached trading. That's the difference. Most people aren't stuck because they're not smart enough. They're stuck because they're doing the wrong things over and over again. So in this video, I'm gonna break down how real people actually get good at trading faster than most ever do. Not the version you see online, the real version. I've worked with thousands of traders at this point, beginners, intermediate traders, people who've been stuck for years, and the pattern's always the same. They know a lot, but they can't execute. I remember talking to someone who had been studying trading for 5 years, watched everything, learned everything, and they told me, I understand it all, but I still can't make money. That's when it really clicked for me. Most people are building knowledge, but trading isn't a knowledge game. It's a decision-making game. And that's a completely different skill. You can understand something perfectly and still fail when it matters, because when money's involved, emotions change, pressure increases, and decisions become harder. And that's where most people break. Section 1, you're learning in the wrong order. This is the biggest issue. Most traders are learning in the wrong order. They think, I need to fully understand trading before I start. That sounds logical, but it's the slowest way to improve, because trading is not about understanding everything first. It's about recognizing patterns and reacting correctly in real time. And that only comes from experience. Let me simplify this for you. If you want to get better faster, you need to reduce complexity. Stop trying to learn everything. Instead, pick 1 to 2 tickers. Watch them every day. Learn how they move. For example, if you trade QQQ, not by adding more, by focusing more. Section 2, real money builds real skill. This is where most people slow themselves down because they spend months paper trading. They get comfortable, then they go live and everything falls apart because now it's real. Now losses matter, emotions kick in, and hesitation shows up. And this is the part people don't understand, that emotional response is not separate from trading. It is trading. So if you want to get better faster, you need to experience that early, but controlled. Here's the key. You don't go big, you go real. Trade small enough that you can stay calm, you can follow your plan, but big enough that it matters to you. Because if it doesn't matter, you won't learn. Here's a simple rule. If losing the trade would affect your decision making, your size is too big. And your goal early on is not profit, it's consistency. You want to build consistent entries, consistent exits, and consistent behavior. That's what compounds over time. Section 3, overtrading is why most people stay stuck. This is one of the biggest problems I see. People think if I trade more, I'll improve faster. So they're constantly in the market, taking trades all day, and they think they're gaining experience. They're not. They're reinforcing bad habits. Let me show you what this looks like. You wake up thinking, I need to make money today. And that's already the wrong mindset. So now you force trades, you chase random moves, you enter trades late, and then you exit early. And you repeat that every single day. And that becomes your system. It's not your strategy. This is your behavior. Instead, you need structure. Before every trade, ask yourself, is this a planned trade or am I reacting? If you're reacting, don't take it. Here's a practical rule. Limit yourself to 1 to 3 trades per day. That forces discipline. Some days you take 0 trades, and that's part of the process. Cash is a position. Section 4, risk management is the real edge. This is the foundation of everything. If you don't get this right, nothing else matters, because every trader is wrong, even the best ones. The difference is how they handle being wrong. Most people do not define risk. They enter trades hoping they're right, and when they're wrong, they hold, they hesitate, they let their losses grow, and that's how accounts get blown. Here's how you fix it. Before every trade, define your stop, define your max loss, and then size accordingly. For example, if your max loss is $1,000, build your trade around that, not after, before. And once you're in, do not move your stop loss. You don't negotiate, you execute. And that's what creates consistency. Section 5, one framework builds confidence. This is where most traders waste years. They keep searching, new strategy, new indicator, new system, thinking this one will work. It won't, because the problem isn't strategy. It's the lack of depth. You don't need more information. You need more repetition. For me, everything comes down to levels, price action, context, and that's it. But I've seen it in different markets across years in every condition. And that's where confidence comes from. It's not from knowing more. It's from knowing one thing deeply. Section 6, routine creates consistency. This is what most people skip, routine. Without structure, you'll always be inconsistent. Here's what a simple routine looks like. Pre-market, check futures, check the news, mark the key levels for the day, and then build your plan around that. During the market hours, wait for those levels that you marked, never chase a trade, and only execute when the level backs up with the market context. And then after the close, review all winning and losing trades, journal your mistakes, and then identify the patterns in the market and your behavior when you're trading. And on the weekly basis, you have to review your performance. How many wins and losses are you taking on each week? And then adjust your approach. This is where improvement actually happens, not during the trade. After it. This is how real people get good at trading. It's not by chasing strategies, not by trading all day, trying to learn everything, but it's by simplifying, executing, managing risk, and just staying consistent. This isn't the fast way people want, but it's the fastest way that actually works. Time is gonna pass anyway. And the question is, are you improving or just staying busy? If you want to see exactly how I apply this, how I read the market, mark levels, and prepare every single day, I'll break that down in the next video. That's where everything comes together. See you there.